Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to crack open the AI Data Science Digital School and really focus on the single most important tool in your entire toolbox, Python. If you are ready to build a solid foundation in data science, trust me, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get into it.
At the very heart of this entire curriculum is a simple, but wow, an incredibly ambitious mission. This isn't just about learning how to code. It's about making a genuinely world-class technical education available to every single person, everywhere, for free.
And here's the cool part. By just engaging with this material, you're not only learning for yourself, you're actually becoming part of something much bigger. Every problem you solve, every concept you finally get, it all helps prove that this new way of learning is not just possible, but powerful.
Okay, so with a mission that big, you might be asking, where on earth do we even begin? Well, we start with the one foundational tool that unlocks everything else, Python.
And that's a totally fair question, right? I mean, with all the programming languages out there, why is Python the one that starts the engine for a career in AI and machine learning?
Well, here's the secret. Python's greatest strength is its simplicity. Instead of getting totally bogged down by complicated syntax and weird rules, Python lets you focus all your mental energy on the real goal, solving problems and discovering new things. It's a tool that helps you, not a barrier that holds you back.
Look, theory is important, but true mastery, that comes from practice. The goal here is to build up your coding muscle memory, that gut feeling, that almost automatic know-how when you're faced with a problem that needs code to solve it. And this is so crucial. While watching videos is a great way to start, real, deep understanding only happens when you get your hands dirty. The philosophy here is all about active participation. You learn by writing the code, breaking it, fixing it, and finally seeing it work. So how do we build up that muscle memory? Well, it really comes down to these three pillars. First, you've got to master data structures, basically how you store your information. Then you learn automation, which is all about letting the computer do the boring, repetitive work for you. And finally, you apply all of that to problem solving, tackling real scenarios to make those skills stick.
And when we talk about problem solving, we're not talking about just a handful of examples. Oh no, we're talking about 200 of them.
That's right. This collection is packed with a library of 200 solved Python problems. They range from the absolute fundamentals all the way to some pretty complex challenges. This gives you a massive set of real-world scenarios to work through, so you can practice, get stuck, and really, truly learn.
But here's the thing to remember. Mastering the fundamentals isn't the finish line. It's the starting line. Python is the key that unlocks the door to some of the most exciting and advanced fields in all of technology.
Think of it like this. Python isn't just a language. It's your passport. It's the universal language spoken in the worlds of AI, machine learning, and big data. Once you're fluent, you can go just about anywhere.
So, what does anywhere really mean? Well, after you've built up your foundation, you can dive headfirst into specialized fields like artificial intelligence, computer vision, something called causal learning, and of course, big data analytics. Each of these is its own huge world, and Python is your way in.
And this isn't about just doing academic exercises. You'll be learning to think and build just like the very best engineers in the field, creating the same kind of professional-grade models that are powering modern tech right now.
And these aren't just abstract skills. They are exactly what the biggest names in tech are looking for. You'll even find resources and case studies in here from industry giants like Google and IBM, showing you precisely how these ideas get used at the absolute highest level.
I know this might sound like a long road, but the best part is everything you need to take that very first step is right here, ready for you to get started literally today.
To get going immediately, you can dive into the cheat sheets for a quick reference, or you can explore the free degree books for some really deep knowledge. Your entire starter kit is right at your fingertips.
So there you have it, the mission, the method, and the map for your journey into data science. The tools are all laid out, and the path is clear. The only question left is the most exciting one. The toolbox is open, so what are you going to build first?